Good morning, guys. Today we're going to talk about intercepts. So this is part of the key features on a graph. We've already gone over key features, but these two are very specific. You are going to have questions on your test about intercepts. So I just want to make sure you've really got an understanding of what they are. First thing you need to know, x-intercepts are the points that cross the x-axis. So the names that you can see, x-intercept, zero, root, and solution. All four of those mean the exact same thing. In fact, on your test, I think they say the word zero. Okay, write that down. The y-axis, any point on the y-axis is called the y-intercept, and that doesn't get any special names. It just gets y-intercepts. So let's look at these tables, or this table. We have 0, 5, 3, 4, 8, 0, 14, negative 7. That first point is our y-intercept at 0, 5. If we were just given, if they asked us on a griddable to give the y-intercept, we would just put 5. This next one, this is our x-intercept. So 8, 0. And again, if on a griddable they said, what is your 0? We would just put the number 8. That would be it. So if you do see a table, I would immediately just circle anywhere I had a 0 and then another number, or a number and then a 0. And I would label it y-intercept, x-intercept. Let's look at a graph. So this is a linear graph. Here is our x-intercept, here is our y-intercept, x-intercept, y-intercept. So our x-intercept would be negative 3. The point would be negative 3, comma 0. Our y-intercept is super close to positive 2, but it's not quite there. So it would be 0 and then probably like 1.9 or 2. I mean, you can estimate. Another graph is a parabola or quadratic. If we look at this, we have more than one 0 and then we have one y-intercept. We've got 2 zeros and a y-intercept. 0, 0, and y-intercept. So our zeros, on this one we would put negative 3 and positive 3. That would be our zeros. So negative 3 and positive 3. And then our y-intercept would be close to negative 2, not quite though, so negative 1.9. When you're writing out your zeros, you're gonna write from least to greatest. So this would be negative 3 to 3, squiggly brackets. So similar to domain, when we have our x. For domain discrete functions, we are listing them out. That's the same thing. And then y-intercepts, you're most likely only gonna have one. So just put the y-intercept. Most of the time, y-intercepts are written as a coordinate. X-intercepts are written as just the x value. And that's it. Bye, guys.